fun. 5, 6, fall lap, heel, fall lap, ball change. Again. Step, heel, touch for 4, 3. Flat heel, flat ball change. Again. Step, heel, touch. Shuffle toe back. Dig toe. Shuffle step. Left side. Shuffle toe. Dig toe. Shuffle step. Stamp step. Triple back. Left. Flat. Triple right. Left side. Dig brush step. Dig brush step heel. Dig brush step. Dig brush step heel. Stamp step. Triple back. Left. Fall lap across. Left side. Dig brush step. Dig brush step heel. 2 dig brush steps. Dig tap step. Dig tap touch. Left. Dig tap scuff. Crank roll. Up, up, down, down. Stand. Amazing job. Let's try it without cueing.
Just when I thought I got him to fall in love with Tennessee, I should have known better than to take him back to Abilene. I put him right back into her arms. I wasn't a match for that kind of spark. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room, and judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see a cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas, I can tell. Well, I guess he forgot about the Smoky Mountain.
Fantastic job.
The mold has